What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be cosplaying Uraraka Ochako from B&HA. I'm using black lenses because I don't have brown ones, and I'm showing you how I put them in my eye. Make sure your hands are clean. Yeah. These aren't dangerous, by the way, but you are sticking plastic in your eye, so. And now I'm shaving the ends of my eyebrows because she has really short eyebrows, and yeah, I decided to shave them. I don't really care what I look like outside of cosplay, so I can just like draw my eyebrows later. But yeah, yeah, this is how I shave them. You have to be really careful with the razor though, but it's not that bad. And then I'm just cutting the ends so that they look more clean. And I'm priming my face with this cheap primer from Miniso. You can use any primer as long as it like fills your pores. By the way, I don't use a sponge because my fingers are so much more effective like blending into my skin, I found. So if you don't want to use a beauty blender either, just like wash your hands, you know. And yeah, your fingers are like one of the best blending things. I don't know if you haven't seen any of my other videos, I literally use my fingers for every single cosplay, and they look jacked sometimes, but I actually did my nails, so maybe staring at my fingers won't be as hard to do. Anyways, and I'm just concealing like all the places that I think I should conceal. I haven't bought foundation yet, so this is how we doing it. Very nice. Cool. And the same Smashbox palette I use for everything I'm using to contour. It's really just like a brown eyeshadow, and I'm just mixing it in to contour my nose. And I only contour my nose for female characters unless they have like really snatched like cheekbones. But other than that, like Uraraka has like, I don't know, a very cute face, so I didn't bother like carving out my cheekbones. And I'm slapping on some highlight. And now for lips, I'm keeping it like really like kind of, no, I'm not using like red. Well, I'm gonna use red eventually, but I'm using a more natural color because she is a high school student and I feel like she wouldn't have like very bold lips. Anyways, I overlined my cupid's bow because I feel like it looks cuter. Yes. The red I'm just using to make them more pigmented. And it's like a matte lipstick is what I'm using. Because like matte looks better when you overline your cupid's bow. And I'm concealing the corners a little bit, which didn't really end up showing up very well, but yeah. And I'm putting a gloss on bottom lip gloss, and I'm using it to highlight the top. And I'm just putting like a light brown line under my eye to make them look a little bit bigger. And for blush, I just mix like pink and orange, and I'm smearing it all over my face. Oh, pink and orange eyeshadow, by the way, I forgot to mention. It wasn't like, yeah. And then for eyebrows, I'm not using like a gel, I'm just using a light brown eyeshadow just to fill them in a little bit and give them more shape. This is orange eyeshadow, and I'm going over it with pink, so I'm just like kind of blending it all in with the like a light pink eyeshadow.
There are stories about every hero, how they became great. Most have one thing in common. Their bodies moved before they had a chance to think, almost on their own. And today, that's what happened to you. Young man, you too can become a hero.
This item, this product, it's so good. It's like a liquid highlight. It's so nice. I'm putting some on the corner of my eye too. It's so pretty. It's so sparkly, man. Oh my god. And now I'm putting like a powder highlight in the corner of my eye. I'm dragging it up a little. You can like see in the light better. Anyways, eyeliner. I wanted to try and make her eyeliner more round, but it was really like hard to do because I never go past like the middle of my eye because it looks weird with my eye shape. But if I had like, I don't know, not as hooded eyes, I would probably bring the eyeliner up more. Because her eyes are so big. Oh my god. But yeah, everyone's eye shape is different, so if you're like trying this and you're like, why does this look weird? Look up eyeliner that's best for your eyes, or just try out different like ways of doing it, 'cause you'll find a way that like works really well for you. Yeah. Not everyone's eyes are the same, so you can't do the same eyeliner and expect it to be like, yeah, the exact same. Oh, and I stopped doing bottom lashes, by the way. I just kind of do like a little flick with the eyeliner because it takes so long to glue each individual lash on the bottom, so yeah. Oh, I'll link these lashes, by the way. They're the ones I use for every, like, anime character. Like, if it's not, like, a League cosplay, I'll use these. Because they're very cute. I don't know, very anime. Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to do anyone else. I'm probably gonna do the rest of the BNHA people. Anyways, have a good day. Peace.